Hello guys and welcome to the Creative Playground. My name is Alicia Bernice and I'm a multi-passionate creative here to be your creative cheerleader. Yay! But are you under 1,000 subscribers? Me too. Same sis, same bro. But what if instead of focusing on our numbers, we actually reveled and enjoyed the process of actually being a small creator? So before we get into that video, I'm going to share 4 things with you that are benefits of being a small creator, but please like, share, subscribe, let other people know about this video, and let me know what you think of this in the comments below. So let's talk about the benefits of being a small creator. The first benefit is that you have room to experiment. When you're starting off small, nobody's really paying attention to you, and while that can be kind of, deflating, it's actually really freeing because you have the room to do what you want to do. You can experiment, you can do videos on cooking and then videos on, podcasting or making music or whatever you want to do. As a small creator, there are less people telling you what you should make and more room for you to just make stuff. That's one benefit that people don't really consider about being a small creator. I don't know if you've ever noticed, but like huge superstars, whenever they change their mind or their look or their music or their sound, their fan base is outraged because there's so many people that expect something from them. When you're a smaller creator, less people are expecting stuff from you and you have more room to play and enjoy the process. The second benefit is that you can mess up without messing up publicly. Even if you have 100 subscribers, if you mess up in a video, just like I did, I stumbled over my words, most people will be like, it's not a big deal. But if you have thousands upon thousands upon thousands of subscribers, you'll get those trolls who will point it out, who will say, hey, you messed this thing up, you're stuttering, you're not good enough, blah, blah, blah. When you're a smaller creator, nobody really cares. Like you can mess up in a video and it's really not that big of a deal. You can mess up in a podcast, it's not a huge deal. And when you're smaller, you can start to build your brand, right? Your brand on being authentic, on being yourself. And even when you get those thousands of subscribers, they're gonna understand, hey, this person has a stutter and it's not that big of a deal. I actually like them. That kind of brings me to my third point. People that are subscribed to you when you're a small creator actually care about you and what you're doing, what you're making. Unfortunately, people have groupthink, so they see a person with 1,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers and they think, oh, because this person has so many subscribers, I should follow them too. That's just how it works. I don't know why, but there's this assumed authority that people have just because they have huge numbers. And I've seen it. People are on YouTube and Instagram and everywhere else talking about silly and stupid stuff, giving horrible advice. But because they have thousands upon thousands of subscribers, people say, oh, this person must be legit. Not true. So when you're a smaller creator, people that actually follow you here are actually interested in you and what you're doing. So the pressure is off to be anybody but yourself because the people that you actually are here with, they're actually connected to you and they want to be connected to you. They actually like you. If you're a smaller channel, the question I have for you is what other major benefits do you see being a small creator? Let me know in the comments below. So the fourth benefit that I see is that you can go at your own pace. When there are less people following you, there are less people demanding so much from you. Look at Rihanna, right? Everybody's like, where's the album, Rihanna? Where's the album, right? Because there's so many people that are used to her being a singer-songwriter. Despite her building all these other businesses and doing all these things, it's not enough. She can go at her own pace now because, she has money. So she can go at her own pace. And you as a small creator, because you're just starting out and not that many people are following you, you can go and figure out how fast you want to pump out videos or content or whatever it is you're creating, or how slow that you want to go on your own terms. There are less people demanding you to do things for them and more room to just be all of yourself. So I know it's hard out there. Trust me, I get it. I feel you. There are so many things that I want to do as a content creator. And sometimes it is discouraging when you're a small creator and you see all these other people making these videos and you're like, when is it my time, God? When is it my time? But what I'm trying to do is really just appreciate the process and be okay with being small and taking those benefits of being small and using them to my advantage. So I encourage you to do the same as a small content creator. And I see you and I celebrate you. Shout out yourselves below. Let people know what your content is about, what your channel is about, and let's all support each other, okay? So until next video, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.